Hello, everyone, and this is Reggie with another technical analysis on a breakout. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I look at hundreds of stocks a day, and when I see something that's about to break out, I just post a video. So if you want to get alerts, you have to like and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the alert button so you can be updated when these happen. And again, you want to apply it to your own strategy and your own budget and your trading goals, right? And shift it through your own filter to make the information work for you. So anyway, snow, let it snow, right? Let it snow. I wish I could cue in like a that song from Ice Age. No, I don't know, name of Disney show. Anyway, let's go. We have snow is breaking out. If you follow the channel, I've been talking about snow, especially when it got down here and hit this support. I said buy, buy, buy because it's a bounce up, and then once it hits this resistance at 334, this candlestick here, I said, okay, be careful for a bounce because sometimes they bounce down. But nope, the next day it resisted. Looked like it's going to bounce down. Blew through, right? So it was a bit of a fight, but it blew through. So that means this is going to be very, very strong support for SnowFlake. So if you don't know what SnowFlake is, it is a disruptor in the cloud computing game. SnowFlake has 90% of the Fortune 500 companies as clients, and SnowFlake is paid based off their performance on the money they save those companies with their product. All that points to good company, right? Good revenues and money, 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 right? So they've found an in, and unless somebody has to come out with something else, I guess I don't know to compete with that. But they're a disruptor in the cloud computing. They found a niche, niche that's working, and they're getting paid for it. And this is a future anchor stock. I've talked about that on videos on when you make these gains on these stocks, take out your gains, put them into quality, strong, old money anchor stocks that's going to be around. The Apples of the world. Sleeper one is Crocs, but that's an upcoming one too. Apples of the world. The Teslas, I guess you can say, they're kind of new, but the Apples best definitely the old guard. You've got John Deere, that's safe. Um, there's a number of them, man. Look at my videos, man. Look at my videos on anchor stocks. And so SnowFlake, what are we doing now? So SnowFlake looks like in pre-market, we're starting off at 350. It needs to hold 350 because it needs to bust through this support here. Support. This resistance line. It needs to break through and rest at, so it needs to get to 362. So it needs a big day to break through. And if it does, I believe it's going to match this candlestick here. And this was previous strong resistance. Draw a line right here. This was strong resistance, 393.40. So I do believe it's heading towards 393. So one of the plays I like to do, and I would go long, maybe 30 days out, but it shouldn't take that long. But I'm going to do a debit spread option, and yeah, because I'm sure that the Greeks are bad on this to keep you from making money, right? So a debit spread is the best. This is how I will play this. I do have a credit spread on, like way back here, and so it's well away from my credit spread. So I think that's expiring this week. So I do have a debit spread on. I think I got out of it once it hit this resistance line. I took my money and ran, and waiting for a re-entry. And today, I'll re-enter it once it breaks 356. If it breaks around 356, 358, then I'm shooting for 393 to be my next exit on SnowFlake. That's scalping it, right? But if you're buying the shares, or if you are looking long, you can buy a leap option, something like that, and kind of put it on layaway. This will be worth it. This is a nice long play, and this is positioned to blow. Look, RSI indicator is showing oversold. So it's so much selling. It was a lot of selling, right? That brought it down anyway in the first place. So much selling, so much selling. Now it's buyers are coming back, and it's moving the stock. It's heading back up, right? Our MacD indicator is starting to show weakness towards the downside, right? Look, it's heading down. See this red? It was going down, and now it's starting to reverse. That blue line is starting to reverse, and especially once they cross, it's game on. So yeah, SnowFlake is on his way, and again, this is how I'm playing it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Reggie with another video. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.